In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and run a Next.js project. You will need Node.js in order to install Next.js, so I'll go through the install of Node.js quickly. So the first thing I'm going to do is open the web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Type in the search node.js and then go to the website. It should be the first link. Click the Get Node.js button. Click the Windows Installer button. Open up the Node installer. So all you have to do is press the Next and Install buttons through the steps. Next, accept the terms, click Next, 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 Install, and finally click the Finish button. Back on Google, type in the search Next.js. The website should be the first result, so click the link. On the Next.js website, click the Get Started button. So once the page is loaded, go to the left-hand menu and click the installation link. In the automatic installation section, there will be code that you can use to create a Next.js project. Click the copy icon to copy the code. And we're going to need the command prompt, so click the Windows Start button. Type in the search cmd. Click on the Open option for command prompt. Right-click the mouse button to paste the code. After the code, give the project a name, so I'm going to call this Next.js-project. Also for this project I'm going to use the four options. Use -- yes, and now we use the default options for the project. Hit the enter key to run that command. You'll get asked to proceed. Press Y and then hit the enter key. So after that command has finished running, close the command prompt. So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code to view and run the project, so open the application. So to open the project, use the Open Folder link here or click File, Open Folder. So go to the location for where the project was created, so it would be my user folder. Left click the Next.js project, click the Select Folder button. If you get this pop-up, click the checkbox and click Yes, I trust the authors. And you'll be able to see all the files and folders that make up the Next.js project. So if I open up the app folder, you'll see the TypeScript files that you'll use to code Next.js. So click View, Terminal. So the terminal will use PowerShell by default. We want to switch that to command prompt to use Node. Click the arrow, select command prompt. So type in the terminal npm run dev to run the project. So after that command is run, you will see a localhost link. Hold down the left control key and then left click that link to open it in the browser. And you'll see the Next.js application running in the browser. I'm going to show you how to update the page. So if I go back to Visual Studio Code. So in the app folder, open up the page.tsx file. So I'm going to add an extra bullet point. So if I just copy this code and paste it. This is my brand new Next.js project. Hold down the left control key and then press the S key to save the file. If you go back to the browser, you'll see the code change that we made has been applied to the page. So that command that we're running in the terminal will allow you to write code and then it will automatically update in the browser. Leave a comment below if you have any queries or issues, and thanks for watching.